That's right, everybody. You read that exactly correctly. Carving a pumpkin with a chainsaw. No, I've never done this. Oh, I have no idea what I'm doing. It sounded like fun. So maybe this would be a good how-to or don't do. And I definitely recommend not doing this in your house. As you see, I took the liberty already of carving out the face. We may not take out the guts just for time's sake, but you use your imagination on how you want to do that. If you want to carve them out, or if you want to, I don't know, use your hand, augers, whatever. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead, let's get started with this awesome procedure. I think we're going to start with the top, and I drew it circular, but since I'm no good carver and everything, we're going to figure out something for that. And then we'll lay it flat down, and well, we'll get her figured out. So let's get this baby carved with a chainsaw. Let's hope the mini Mac starts. Every time notorious for not. Just messing. I cheat. That was the can of racing fuel. So step one, get your top taken off. I think I did pretty good for a first time. And it makes a heck of a mess on you. So there's all your innards and stuff, and you get creative and figure it out, but we're just gonna go ahead and get the eyes and the mouth here. So after the mini Mac finally calmed down, we were able to control a little bit of the chain there. Alright, a little cleaned off here. You see, they got some thick walls on pumpkins, so what we're gonna try and do, well, we might be able to do it standing up, but if we can't, then we'll lay it down here. Where's my area to lay down at? Yeah, everything in front there, so I got this whole area. The eyes, they look okay. I think they do. I mean, their eyes, at least. What do you all think? Yeah. They got some thick walls on these. Look at the size of the walls on that pumpkin there. But anyways, here's the eyes. I might clean them up a bit here, but now we got to get that mouth. And I think that tooth is going to be the biggest, but we'll get her. It's going to be the coolest pumpkin ever. Or whatever. Alright. I got the camera on, right? Yeah, I do. that now. Go. I have to take the time to clean out the inside. It'll probably look a little better, but I will. But there we go. One jack-o'-lantern carved by a chainsaw. Hold on. Oh, it's not good. Oop. That's just zoomed in a little too far. There we go. There we go. Get the head on straight here. I don't remember how it went. There we go. There we go. Y'all like noodles? Well, there you go. You can get that out of your jack-o'-lantern. Have a happy and safe Halloween, everybody.